Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. It's time for a super duper strategy, and then as expected many were requesting options trading strategy, and we are looking into Banknifty Options price action strategy. Okay, so now you might ask me, what is this unique about this? Friends, you all know it's in my own style of making, where I have tested it for almost past 3 months. I have compiled the data. You'll be getting the Excel sheet as well, and I'll be giving you in detail how to go forward with the strategy. It's very simple. Even if you're having very small funds of 10,000 to 20,000 rupees also, you can trade in this. It's not risky. Its loss is very much limited, so we don't have to worry. You'll be getting how to enter, you'll be learning how to enter, how to exit, what's the target to be kept, what's the stop loss to be kept. All those details you'll be getting in the strategy. And I also would proudly say it's a strategy for working people. You know, my channel is best suited for working people, so you'll have to just spend less than 5 minutes of your time, and all this can be done even if you're working as well. That's the specialty of the strategy. And also I have done the backtest analysis as well. I have tested it for past 3 months, and then I felt it very comfortable, and as always I have compiled it, and I'll be sharing the sheet to you as well. Okay friends, so before going forward, just want to give you an update about our options trading tactics. It's a 6 months mentorship program, training program, where you'll be learning about how to do the adjustments. Okay, so that is why I'm using the word chakra viewer, because it's not important that you learn the strategy. There are n number of strategies, but how do you tackle it, how do you do the adjustments, and how do you make yourself into profits every month? This is what you'll be learning in this option trading tactics. So we'll be trading together for 6 months. First you'll be learning it, and then we'll be trading and learning for 6 months. So just if you want any update about this, you can just WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095-876525. Okay, so let us go forward with our price action strategy. And the strategy is very simple. Just have to keep alarm at 9:15. Okay, and the logic which we'll be using here is the emotions of public. Now what is this emotions of public? That I will give full details about this ahead. Okay, now what's the strategy? Keep alarm at 9:15 and log into your trading terminal. That is a part 1. Now coming to the entry, what you have to do is just observe if today's open price is greater than yesterday's high price, or yesterday's, if it is less than yesterday's low price. This is what you have to observe. So just check if today's open price is greater than yesterday's high price. So I'll just give an example here. So let us imagine yesterday the open price was 25,000 and the high price was 27,000, low price is 24,000, and it closed at around 26,000. So today we have to just observe whether our high price is greater than yesterday's high price. Sorry, today's open price is greater than yesterday's high price. So in this case you can see that it is greater. So 27,500 is greater than yesterday's high price. So we have to just check if this condition is there, or otherwise we can also see if today's open price is less than yesterday's low price. Okay, so now what is the entry? In case if the open price is greater than yesterday's high price, then we have to buy the nearest in the money call. Okay, and in case if the today's open price is less than yesterday's low price, then we have to buy in the money put. Okay, so we are not selling any options here, so thereby we don't need much capital. We are only doing buying of options, whether we have to decide whether it is call and whether it is put, and also we are taking in the money. Okay, because we need the delta also to be good enough, so that is the reason we have taken in the money. I'll show you an Excel so that you will be getting a better idea. Yeah, so this is our Excel where I've done the backtest analysis and also done the trading in this month of January, February, March, and I felt it very good. That is the reason why I'm sharing it to you all. Okay, so you can see on Jan 22nd the price, Jan 2nd the price is 27,297. So on that particular day we have to just observe the previous high and the low, and you can see that it is neither above the high or it is neither below the low. So our condition is not met, so you're not trading on 2nd Jan. Then again let us see on 3rd Jan. Again the condition is not met, so you can't trade. Again on 4th Jan you can see that neither it has broken the high price or neither it has broken the low price. It is between these both. so that is why we can't trade. Okay, so now coming to the criteria, that is on 7th Jan, the price is 27,379. So you can see that it is greater than the high price. I'll just mark it in yellow. So you can see these two price. This is exactly our scenario which we wanted. So I am seeing the data of spot price here. Okay, so this is not from futures. I'm seeing the spot price, because you know that whenever we're trading in options, we always have to look into the spot price. So you can see that our open price of 27,379 is greater than the previous day high. So that is the reason we will take the nearest in the money. It will be 27,300, and then we just have to buy the option. So the options buy value was 519, and you can see that it has gone till 27,478. So our options also had gone till 648. But what we are doing is we are waiting till end of the day. Okay, because we are all working professionals, we can't keep tracking the market always. So we just buy the order, keep the stop loss, and the stop loss will be of 100 points. We just have to keep the stop loss and then just leave for the day, nothing else to be done. So end of the day, you can see market has come down and we made a loss of 67 points. Never mind, not a problem. Again, 8th Jan, it is opened at 27,302. It is between the high and the low, so again we are not going to trade. Again on 9th Jan, you can see it has opened at 27,651, which is greater than the previous high. So again I'll mark it in yellow so that you will get an idea. Okay, so you can see that 9th Jan open price is greater than the previous day high price. So that is the reason why we are going to buy the options. So you can see that we have bought 420 and we are sold at 445, giving us a profit of 25 points. So again the same criteria, we have to just wait. So this is a situation when the market is going top. So we'll also see a situation when the market comes down. So you can see that on 28th Jan the market has opened at 27,041, which is lower than the previous low. So I'll mark it in yellow color, you will get an idea. So this is the particular case. Okay, so you can see 27,041. Even if it is 1 point less also, we are going to take this target. If it opens same also, we will be doing this. Now why are we telling that the logic is emotions of people? Is because if the price has to move overnight above the high or below the low of previous day, it means there has to be some news. That is the reason why there is such a big movement. So when there is such a big movement, we have to capitalize it, and we will be doing the options trading. So many might ask me, why not buy both options and buy both call and put? I would suggest not required, because it leads away your profits, and since we are keeping 100 points stop loss, so don't worry. So you can see in this particular case there was huge movement. We bought at 199 and sold at 447, almost 248 rupees profit in the same way. So you can see that I have done the back testing. So I have done almost for January, February, March I have done, and you can see in this 3 months the total points is 846 and the average is 44 points. Okay, so you can say that 44 points into 21 lot of bank nifty is 20. So you can say average of 880 rupees you can make in a day. And also this is not a daily trade, it happens only once or twice in a week, so your brokerage also will be very less. And you can see the amount which I invested is almost in the range of 400 rupees. So 400 into 20, our investment is going to be 8,000. Let us say investment is going to be 10,000, worst case. Okay, so just see the returns, 880 divided by 10,000. Let me take the percentage. So you can see that almost 9% returns you're going to get out of your investment. Okay, which is a good amount, which is decent enough. Okay, so with we can see that even with by trading just 10,000 rupees also you're able to make good money. So that is the beauty of the strategy, friends. In case if you just want the backtested file, you can just take it from me. It's very simple, you can just go through, you can try for yourself. Okay, so this was the example which I had given, and as I told you, target leave it till end of the day, that is EOD which I mentioned, or otherwise you can keep even 200 rupees targets as well, but I felt there is more profit if you keep till end of the day. And coming to stop loss, it's very important, keep 100 points stop loss. Don't just leave it till end of the day. I mean, don't just leave it naked. Keep a 100 points stop loss. So in case if any loss is triggering, we will accept the loss, but most of the time we have to look into the average. Okay friends, So let me just summarize to you. Keep alarm at 9:15 a.m. and log into your trading terminal, and then just place the order, and then just forget, nothing else to be done. And this is best suited for working people because you just have to spend less time. So that was the strategy all about. So in case if you like the strategy, please do subscribe to my channel Angel Trading Friend. You'll be getting lots and lots of strategies on options and equities and commodities and many more things. Also, we started with a live trading program to just show you how the life of a trader is. So that also has completed successfully. I was not able to complete full 60 days, but hope you learn the journey. We almost made 40 to 50% returns. So that is how the trading is all about. And in case if you want any assistance, any support, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And also don't forget to join Upstock. I have provided the link in this description of this video. You will be getting 50% discount on my trainings and my open trains. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day.